Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, folks, welcome back to my Monday class. We're looking at subtracting time questions. So it's not your standard questions. We got questions where we're going across the hour. So we have 12:35 is, for example, could be the context is, for example, here 12:35 is the time that you finish your lesson. Your lesson lasted for 1 hour 45 minutes. What time did it start? So we have a question here where we need to minus time. So let's set the question out. So we start off with 12:35 and we minus 1:45. Now what we must remember at all times is that we are doing time. Time is of base 60. So every 60 minutes makes 1 hour. Now if we take that into consideration, this is minutes, this is hours. We do not go across this middle part here. So we look at the 35. You see that what I mean by that in a minute. You have 35 minutes minus 45 minutes. Can we do 35 minutes minus 45?
No.
No. So what we do here, we borrow an hour from here. An hour from 12 hours gives us 12 hours minus 1 hour gives us what? 11 hours. Okay. And now when you add the 1 hour from this side to this side, how much do we add?
We add 60.
We add 60. Remember we done last week? We minus 60 add 1. Now we are minusing 1 add 60. We do the opposite. So as we go from the hours to the minutes, so we are minusing 1 and adding 60. So each hour is worth 60 minutes. Now what we can do now, we can rewrite this question. Okay, back to recording now. Sorry about that noise, folks. So what we can do now, we can rewrite the question. So 12:35 has become what? 11. 11:95. And the 1:45 on the bottom stays as 1:45. So the question gets rewritten. Now we are in the position that we can actually do the question. So these are my minutes again, and these are my hours. So we have 95 minutes minus 45 minutes. What does that give us? 95 minus 45 give us what? 11 minus 1 is?
10.
So 10. 12:35 minus 1:45 gives us what as the answer? 10:50. Okay. That's our first question. Now let's have a look at one more question in this short video and let's see how we get on with that one. So let's have a look at, for example, we have (7:20) is say 7:20 is the time that our program finishes. It started 3 hours ago and 50 minutes ago. 3 hours 50 minutes. So that's the question. So we need to set the question out. So 7:20 minus 350. Let's have a look. Okay, I think we need to go to the last line. Now let's put the hours. I mean, remember, hours are separate and the minutes are separate. So we have 20 minutes minus 50. Can we do 20 minus 50?
No.
No. So we go down to the hours and we borrow 1 hour and 7 hours. That becomes 6. And as we come over to the minutes, if we add how much here? 60. Let's rewrite the question. So now 7:20 becomes 6.
80.
And 350 stays as 350. Now we are in the position, much more better position, where we can actually answer the question. This is our hours. This is our minutes. So now 80 minutes minus 50 is?
30.
Lovely. And 6 minus 3 is? 3. So 7:20 minus 3 hours 50 gives you 3 hours 30. That's the end of this short video. Thank you very much for joining us. I'm going to give some students some questions during the class now. And we'll see you in the next video, inshallah.